Hello, and you are welcome to this video. I am Boahen, and today we will be learning about the colleagues a designer might work with. So the people or the colleagues a designer might work with. So with the first one, we have UX researchers. What do UX researchers do? UX researchers conduct studies or interviews that help us to learn about how people use a product. You know, before each product is built, we have our target users. And if you don't get to know the info from them, you get some information from them, what will you be designing for? So you have to understand them, and by so doing you have to research. So that's the role of this group. The next one is the UX writers. So they think about how to make the language within a product clearer, to make user experience more intuitive. The languages within a product, that's the role of these people. This could include writing labels for buttons, or adjusting the tone of the product, the tone that we use in the product, to be what formal and friendly. Then we have the production designers. What do production designers do? They make sure first and the final designs match with the finished product materials, and that the assets are ready to be handed off to engineers or the engineering team. Then we have the UX engineers. UX engineers. So the UX designers work with this group mostly. They translate the design's intent into a functioning experience. That's the engineers. The engineers translate the designs into a functioning experience, like a website or an app. So what the UX designers have designed, the product they've designed, the high fidelity that they are done with, they hand off to what the UX engineers, and the UX engineers bring, or they develop, or convert the designs into what a ready to use application or website. We have the UX program managers, and the role of these people is to ensure clear and timely communication so that the process of building a useful product moves smoothly from start to the finish of every product. They set up the goals and the writing plans of the project. That's the role of the program managers. They set up the goals, the writing plans. They plan the project, and they ensure that communication is very effective. They ensure timely communication. They make sure the communication is clear in every step or every process of getting a product done, so that the process of building a useful product moves smoothly. So from the start to finish, they ensure effective communication. That's the role of UX program managers. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found something beneficial. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more tech related lessons. Thank you.